No one is going to deny that Williams is one of the greatest goalkeepers we've had in South Africa and we've ever produced. And one may argue that Williams is better than Ukune or Ukune is better than Williams. I think that's a topic for another day. But going into AFCON Buffet to knowing Williams is our number one goalkeeper currently in South Africa, Mzansi is number one. We can't go anywhere and play national team without Williams being there. But looking at our mistake, why is always Swelele playing against Swelele? Is this what we are going to subject ourselves to, especially as a national team? I think William is too comfortable. Let's just tell the truth. I think William is too comfortable. He knows Hugo Bros can't take him anywhere. Now, when you look at the player doing this in national club level, are you again going to risk this? We know that goalkeeper want to none Buffett Williams. Udlale muva, uyakwazi ukudlala nama-defender kahle, uyakwazi keep ibhola phambili. He sees all those opportunities. But is this the nonsense we are going to settle for? Is this what we are going to settle for as a national team, as a footballing team? Last time AFCON, number 3, bronze. We don't want to get a bronze again. Especially with this much talent we have in South Africa, we don't want to touch a bronze. We want gold. And we can get the gold. But we can't get the gold if there's one person who's knowing what they're very comfortable because they understand what they are the number ones, they're the first option for Hugo Bros. Mina ngithi Hugo Bros akakhiphe kancane umfana afaka uSipho Chain. Yebo usiprovile but akafaka uChain. These are the kind of mistakes ezizodlisa ku-AFCON. The kind of mistakes ezizosikhabatha ku-AFCON. The kind of mistakes ezizosilimaza ku-World Cup, which we haven't properly qualified for since 2002, if I'm not mistaken. And among the properly qualified for, I'm not meaning qualify because we were hosting in 2010. That's why we qualified for the World Cup, because we were hosting. Who knows good Bugins are and go hosting? Who knows? Buffett. No, we don't subject ourselves to this kind of halapalooza. Come on, Buffett. Come on. We are better than that. We are better than that.